Let's talk about the word firmament. Specifically, let's look at the etymology of the word. It's a word that is found in most English translations of the Bible, such as the King James Version, and it begins with the prefix firm. The English word is derived from the Latin word firmamentum, which was used in the Latin Bible, the Vulgate. Now, we know that it means a firm or solid structure because the Latin word was derived from the Greek Septuagint, which used the word sterema, or that which is solid. And we find that even in modern translations. Now, the Greek word was derived from the word used in the Hebrew Tanakh, which uses the word Raqia, which means a solid and stretched over protective covering. So that's the evolution of the word. But how do we know that Raqia means something solid? Well, one reason is because all of the other words in the Tanakh, both nouns and verbs, which share the exact same root of resh, kuf, ein, have the same core meanings. So, let's take a quick look at only a few of the many examples of the root use. We see a verb form used in Exodus 39:3 where it says, "And they Raqia sheets of gold." Here the gold was beaten and stretched and cut into thin light strips to be used in embroidery. We also see another verb with the same root in Numbers 17:4, "And these fire pans become Raqia into plating for the altar." The plate was beaten and stretched over the altar. We also find another form of the noun in plural in the previous verse in Numbers 17:3 when it says that they will be made into Raqia as plating, meaning protective coverings for the altar. So we can see a pattern here, a solid stretched over covering. So what is a firmament? Well, it's a solid, firm, protective covering. That's the firmament, at least in the biblical sense. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please subscribe by clicking on the YouTube subscribe button below, and feel free to leave a question in the comment section below.